Top of your head.
I'll read the princess story now.
Okay.
I'll read something else.
Okay. Which one are you gonna read? Wait, this book is upside down. I can't read upside down either, Kavi. Okay.
A Sleeping Beauty dead.
Huh?
A Sleeping Beauty dead.
Sleeping Beauty's dead? What? No, she's just sleeping.
But I want Mulan.
Huh? Mulan? Who's Mulan, Kavi? Kavi. Hey, Kavi. Okay. That's Mulan. Wow, look at Mulan.
And you say, wait.
Wait, tell me the story, Kavi. Tell me the story. Wait. What's going on? Huh? Wait. What? I'm putting my foot down.
Look.
Okay. What's happening? Who is that, Kavi?
It's Mushu.
That's Mushu?
No, Mushu is the dragon.
Where's the dragon?
Yeah.
That's a dragon?
He's Mulan.
That's Mulan? Okay. Now what?
He put the sword
You
in.
got the hiccups, Kavi.
Huh?
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 You have the hiccups. They go.
And me and Uncle put the sword in and the uncle.
He put the sword in the uncle?
And then Mulan came and put the sword in the mean uncle.
Oh no. Oh, that's good actually.
And
You have the hiccups going.
beating down.
Look, Kavi, me too.
And he said, "Do you want me for dinner?"
Who eats dinner? What? Wait, jelly beans for dinner? Can we have jelly beans for dinner? Hi, Kavi.
Following Mulan.
Don't push me away. No. No, don't hit me. Ow. No. Wait, what? Is that Mulan still? Ow. Oh, no. But I'm a good mommy blue dog. Ow. No, don't hit me. No. Oh, oh. Ah.
Okay, lay down.
No, is it time for bed?